What's going on, guys? Check out this old Hughes light tackle 20 we're restoring here. We didn't do the paint, but we got the rub rail on today. Looking really nice. Got some underwater lights, new trim tabs, got a jack plate going on. Got our plumbing in. We're gonna run 2 pumps for both his wells. Nice through hole. Got rid of that plastic one, so there's no plastic sitting underneath. Got that. Got the grates there. New rod holders. Ooh. Push pull holders. And we're getting all new hardware for the hatches and everything. Power pole move we're gonna put on it. Can't wait to see how that works out. 36 volt trolling motor battery is gonna go either in the bow or in the back with other batteries. I gotta talk to the client, see what he wants to do. Oh, that's what we got on this one. So looking nice. Stay tuned. New lights as well in the front.